Discover top dropshipping suppliers of original US, EU products. Spocket allows you to choose the best products to sell from thousands of dropshipping suppliers all over the world. No credit card required. Find winning dropshipping products. Spocket allows you to choose the best products to dropship from various categories from dropshipping suppliers all over the world. Get started. Try the products yourself. Order product samples right from the dashboard in a few clicks. Easily test out the products and suppliers to build a reliable dropshipping business. Get started. Connect your online store with ease. Fulfill your orders with one click. Spocket can easily sync with your online store, and all orders automatically appear in your app. Spocket is integrated with Shopify, BigCommerce, Wix, and WooCommerce. Get started. Discover dropshipping suppliers with fast shipping. With 80% of our dropshipping suppliers based in the US or Europe, shipping is quick, reliable, and effortless. Get started. 10x your dropshipping business with Spocket. No upfront cost. Start using Spocket for free, no requirement of credit card details or registration fees. Branded invoicing. Make your mark with a unique brand identity. Your invoice represents your brand. US, EU original suppliers. Reliable US, EU and global suppliers with fast shipping on high-quality winning products. The best deals on products. Heavy discounts ranging from 30 to 40% on all products. Exclusively on Spocket. Available integrations. Spocket integrates with all your favorite e-commerce platforms. Get started dropshipping today.